Go ahead and give me a big like for getting y'all right for cookout season. Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Deandra and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this beautiful green spring look for under $10. Okay. Today I'll be using the Impress press-on nails. These are short and square and the design is First Bloom. This pack is only $5.99 and comes with a cuticle pusher, a nail file, 30 different sizes with 3 different designs for your nails. I also used a sturdier file that I had on hand. This is the design I decided to go with. First, I'm going to go ahead and push back the cuticle on my nails and then buff the surface. Now, let's paint. I'll be using the Poparazzi color Mermaid Daze, and this nail polish was only $2.99 from CVS. Since the color is very light, apply 3 coats, add a top coat, and you're done. For the hands, you prep the same way. Push back your cuticles and buff the surface. Doing this makes the press-ons adhere better. Then, using the alcohol wipe included in the pack, use it to dehydrate your nails. Now for the part that takes the longest, finding the right size nail. The nail should not go over the edges, and each press-on is numbered depending on the size. 0 for the largest, 9 for the smallest. You can easily adjust the fit of your press-on by filing the base of your nail to size. And seriously, y'all, this was so quick and easy, I finished everything in an hour. Please try it and DM me pictures of what Impress style you decide to try. If your nail bed is wider than the press-on nail, gently bend the extension back and forth to widen it. Y'all heard me say gently. I don't need anybody in my DMs saying y'all broke your press-ons in half being rough. Here is the final look of the hands and nails. They came out beautiful and I love this sage color. It's my mood for 2023. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at itsdeandra_o_. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!